Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is 24-hour day. So, the 24-hour day view teaches that God created the world in 6 literal consecutive days, with yom meaning a normal day joined with evening and morning. In this week of creation, God made all things lights, sky, land, and vegetation, heavenly bodies, birds, sea creatures, animals, and mankind on the seventh day. He rested, blessing the Sabbath. This view affirms God's authority, His word's truth, and godness creation. So, ayon po sa Exodus chapter 20 verse 11, For in 6 days the Lord made the heavens and the earth, the sea, and all that is in them, but He rested on the seventh day. Therefore, the Lord blessed the Sabbath day and made it holy. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, God created all things in the first week of creation. So, ibig sabihin sa loob ng unang linggo ng paglikha, ginawa ni God ang lahat, langit, lupa, araw, buwan, between halaman, hayop, at tao. Hindi ito random or matagal na process. It was all part of God's plan in that 1 week. And God can do all things progressively or instantly. Si God ay makapangyarihan, kaya niyang gawin ang lahat agad-agad o unti-unti. Depende sa kanya, kagustuhan. Walang limit sa kakayahan niya. And God rested on the seventh day, Sabbath day. Pagkatapos ng 6 na araw ng paggawa, nagpahinga si God ay sa 7 araw. Hindi dahil napanood niya, kundi para magbigay sa atin ng halimbawa na magpahinga rin at maglaan ng panahon para sa Kanya. And then sa applications naman po, believe that God can do all things by His command. Manampalataya tayo sa Kanya. Gawin ni God ang lahat sa isang salita lang. Walang imposible sa Kanya. And have faith in God's power and sovereign decision. And trust God's wisdom by taking a Sabbath regularly. And tayo lamang po, maraming salamat.